I'm like, I'm good.
Stay out.
It's like, it's like, this movie is great. Yeah. And that was the first day of deployment. I'm like, fuck. Yeah.
Get better pretty soon.
Oh yeah, yeah. No, it was painful for like the first week, and then after the second week, you kind of get used to it.
Yeah.
And then by the end of the month, like a quarter of it grew.
Oh, okay.
So by the end of the deployment, I had a good toenail. It was a good looking toenail too. Yeah, it looked fresh. Like, oh my god. Where the other one looked dead and crusty and crackling. Well, those flight deck boots is not the most. Yeah. But I will say, when you make Chief, those brown boots, those are the greatest.
Much more comfortable.
Oh yeah. I feel like it was more wider and softer.
Well, yeah, the design is a lot different.
Yeah. So I love those brown boots, man. I could see why the black shoe always talks shit about brown shoes. We wear them comfortable.
They actually all have the same boots now.
Yeah.
They have a black version of Velcro.
Yeah, yeah.
And I got the, for my final assignment, we got over to the type 3s. I had that suede type leather.
Yeah.
The light tan ones.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Those were very comfortable. Can't wear them on a boat, but I didn't give a shit because I wasn't going on a boat.
Yeah. You know, the one thing I wish I got, but I never got when I was in the Navy, the old khaki flight jacket. You know what I mean? You know how that green flight jacket was like a little puffy?
Right.
But the khaki one was more...
like a windbreaker.
Nah.
I'm not familiar with this.
Oh, really? Oh, there was a...
Yeah, we always had the green. I mean, I had the green one.
Yeah, with the patch and everything. They actually have a brown one, a khaki one. It's like an old version of it.
Oh.
Yeah,
So
there was
like
a...
replica of the leather ones?
Yeah, but it was khaki. And
Interesting.
yeah,
I've never seen that one.
I was trying to chase one down, but you had to be in the Filipino mafia to get one of them. And it was kind of bummed because the guy that I seen it, I thought we were close. Like we made Chief together and everything, you know, and we're still in touch. We're still like, but he never got me one. And when I retired, you know, he was in my retirement. He's like, all right, I got you, man. I was like, dude, it's too late. I know. It's like, I don't want to wear it when I'm a civilian. But yeah, that would have been nice to wear during flight quarters. I'll have to show you. It's a really good...
If I see it, I might know what you're talking about. Right now, I have no mental.
Yeah. You could tell it's old school.
I bought a pair of the aviation greens
Yeah,
at the thrift store once that were in like pristine condition.
yeah. The one with the like a Velcro on the chest.
No, the ones that like a double.
Looks like an army.
Yeah, like an army suit.
Oh, okay.
You know, with a-
They went out in
yeah, you wear
the
the,
late
the
90s. They stopped.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
That was very cool looking. It was very heavy material.
It was, yeah.
Super hot.
Yeah.
They had very limited wear.
Yeah.
They were allowed to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, very 40s looking. And it, you wore it in the office, you couldn't wear it out on the business, or you couldn't wear it.
You couldn't wear it out on deck, huh?
No, you wouldn't want to wear it on like in the flight deck or anything to go to the office. I guess you could wear it if you had to go to a function.
Yeah.
Oh.
think they resanded this.
Yeah, right?
This crafty mountain bike. There's a fire over there somewhere on the Miramar side a couple days ago.
Oh yeah, I heard about that on the news.
Yeah. How long did that fire last?
Not long, thankfully. We did see the smoke out there.
Oh, you could.
But it wasn't well, they are going to put another theater over there.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, AMC is going to put one in 2027.
Oh,
Really?
okay.
Yeah,
That's interesting.
so I was surprised it happened.
Yeah, because I thought the theater attendance has been down a lot.
It has.
Oh, it is, man.
I wonder why they're investing that kind of money.
I'm telling you, if they could, this popcorn bucket phenomena is bringing crowds back to the movie theaters.
Really?
Oh, dude, the line of these popcorn buckets are getting longer. It used to be just me and my son. Now we have to stand in line.
Yeah, you mentioned that yesterday. So that
Yeah.
is it? Are they plastic? Do they last? Or are they
Uh,
still paper?
No, they're plastic, but
Paper?
the design has it's a whole. It's like 9-day. It lights up. It's shaped like the characters now.
Oh,
It opens up, you know.
really?
Back in the days, it was just shaped like a bucket
Yeah.
with a paper logo or poster logo around it.
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
Now it's different.
Really?
Oh yeah.
How they do the profit sharing on that?
Huh?
Because the studio is probably putting out the buckets,
Yeah.
but the theaters make money on the concessions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is
So
pretty
they-
much all the money they make.
So buying the buckets from the theaters
Yeah.
is, you know,
Yeah.
instead of 50 cents, it's maybe $3.
Yeah.
So the studios are making out hand over fist.
Oh yeah.
And it still only costs them maybe $1 to
Yeah.
make.
To me, it's amazing. So the sale has gone through the roof to the point where they limit the amount you can buy,
Oh, really?
because once it gets on eBay, oh, it's double the price.
Yeah, I have there's an action figure store I buy from, the Big Bad Toy Store.
Yeah.
All
They've
right.
finally gone to limiting purchases of figures.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because of the black market, huh?
Oh,
wow.
it's horrible because you get on, like, if you don't hit the pre-sale
Yeah.
at 9 o'clock on the day of the pre-sale, you're going to be paying double or triple the price.
Yep. Yep.
And that's, everybody knows. So
Huh.
they finally started limiting it to one figure.
Oh, that's good.